What's up, guys? It has a misfire on number 4, running real rough. You disconnect the coil, it doesn't change anything. Let's take out the coil and swap it and see what the spark plug look like. Spark plug oiled up because it's not burning. Let me switch the coils and see what happens. This spark plug was smoking a minute ago. Start it up and see if it made any difference. Yeah, it's not the coil because I switched them around. That means the harness could be bad. They gotta trace it and see if it has a broken wire somewhere, because it does not make a difference at all. So this coil was on number 4, and I switched it to number 3, and it makes a difference when you unplug it. See that? So the coil is good. And it's smoking back there. I don't know, oil leak. Look at it. So I tested the plug. It's alright. Coil is alright. And I got spark coming out of here. So that's not the issue. I'm going to have to do a compression test. See what's going on here in number 4. Because there's a lot of oil on the spark plug. Look at this. Oil was dripping off of it, off of the spark plug. Take all the spark plugs out. Find the fuel pump relay or fuse and pull it out of there. So we got 180 on number 4. So it's not a compression issue. All 4 has 180 psi. That's good. Now we know nothing wrong with the number 4 coil harness, nothing wrong with the coil, and nothing wrong with the spark plug, because I switched them around. It still needs the valve cover gaskets. O-rings around busted, so needs a new one. Check number 4 injector with a noid light. The harness is good. On the end, I'm thinking it needs number 4 injector. And if this video was helpful to you, subscribe, like, and comment.